Hi, welcome back to this, what can you call it, Super Sunday solo ride. Down in Berwickshire again. I'm heading down toward Gordon, little crossroads village, and we're in search of snowdrops, but I bet they've been and gone. Not heard anyone shouting to me to get down there. And when I was down there last, there was obviously none. However, they've been out in East Lothian for a couple of weeks, so you never know. And if not, I've got a plan B. I'll bring you back when we get closer towards Gordon, okay? The reason I took this road is I don't think I've ridden this one before. So I was a bit curious to see where it goes. I know where it comes out, so... It's what I call a fourth gear road. That's more than fast enough. Some big bulls in there, eh? Size they are. Sheep, but no lambs. What a beautiful day though. Now I have done this road, I've come up the way, yeah, recognise this here with the farm. That's right. Yeah, Ledger Road. There's an old stop sign, look at that, that's an old one. Got a couple of them in East Lothian as well. Never been to West Morrison though. Beauty. Oh, big pothole. Actually, it's not. That's Thingy Tower. Oh, what's that one called? Blue name. Rain fade. I've been worthy of putting the drone out to it. Not mean to that. Where's OS map? It's in the house, of course. Seen snowdrops. Snowdrops on the brain. Crosby Tower, that's what it is. Get some fuel today. We're still with the same tank from yesterday's run. This tank's done 140 miles, usual. Get to about 155. So I was talking about our gas pipe going across some of our mirrors. Well, here it is here. There you go. No smoking beside that for obvious reasons. You wouldn't want to meet anyone driving fast on it though. Okay, so this is the road down to Gordon now. It's good to go the wee roads that you've not been on before or can't remember having been on, because you don't know what you're going to come across. Peaceful today. Down round the corner, we'll get parked up again, where we came here before. To find no slow drops. The old railway line here. Green now, tower. Oh, right. Just keep the skid lid on this now. Go and have a look. Traditional home of the Scottish laird, there you go. I wonder why it's closed. Seems to be a common thing now with ruins. Historic Scotland obviously don't have the money to pay for the restoration work. Well, we've got snowdrops, we've not got many. It's not exactly... I thought it was supposed to be an amazing show. So it looks like... oh well. No, it's not that impressive, is it? Cool old building though. Well, we've been here, we've done that, we've filmed it before. So, let's go to Hume Castle. That's what we'll do. (1893). Old Free Church. It's quite interesting. Right, on to Hume. A wild goose chase, eh? Look for snowdrops. I guess they get good years and not so good years for them. Right, I'll bring you back when we get nearer over there. Okay, left here for Hume. There's a mad solar panel building up here. See it straight ahead of us. Someone's getting cheap lecky out it. Probably be people at the castle being a Sunday today, but we'll not be going near a castle with the drone. We'll fly it round it, let you get a bit look at the view. Bring you back up the top there. So I love coming to Berwickshire. These wee roads are so quiet and it's just stunning. Magical place. Classic 350 is just perfect for here as well. I guess there's places to go further afield, up north and all that, but what to be said for, I mean, we're done 49 miles from home. There you go. I know there's still roads that'll probably never, there's a buzzard. There's roads here I'll probably never fly? We'll never ride. But every day you go out down here, you find somewhere you've not been before, and you never know what you come across when you're out and about as well. There's wee roads leading off everywhere. Not all tarmacked as well, as you might know. I notice though when you come here, unless it's blown an absolute hoolie, when you stop, how quiet it is. So these are a whole series of green lanes, old roads here that I've ridden in the past. Which was pre-responsible access of Scotland. Days. Oh, I thought there'd be somebody or that here by now. There you go. Nice. You know what, it's a nice day, so let's just take a walk up. I wasn't going to bother, but why not? So we'll go up to the tower there, to Lookout Point. The reason you keep this closed is for the sheep. So that's been the well. We always had a well, didn't we? With a obliterated iron brew can down it. So we camped here one night. It's right here. Look at the wee hatch out. Beasties. So there's the Merce. I'm always talking about the Merce. You'll see it when I put the drone up. You'll see exactly the same view in the drone, but you'll get to see the castle. So there's your lane going out, and it goes down to that farm and goes out onto the main road. Highest hill is the Cheviot with the snow on it. Alright. Well, that just ended in disaster because that's the drone smashed. Oh, friggin' hell. There's the battery as well. So, I just could not control it there. I took off. Don't know what went wrong with it. But I think that's it. You know, so that's me lost my metal detector now. That's been knackered. And now this is a bust. Sometimes doing stuff for the channel is more hassle than it's worth, if it is even worth it. So, anyway, that was Hume Castle. Give up. Right. Let's get back on the bike. Not the great visibility today as actually hoped. Oh well, some you win, some you lose.